Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Chris here with BNFX with your New York Open analysis for the 1st of March. Hope everybody is doing okay and being safe out there. Um, overnight, not a heck of a lot fundamentally. It's really geopolitical at this point. And as you guys can see, oil prices are just spiking right now. Um, the Ukrainian delegation and Russian delegation met in Belarus with nothing positive other than that they said they would meet again. So the war continues there, and that's definitely impacting the euro markets, which are down a little bit more than the US markets right now. The name of the game right now is commodities, specifically oil. Oil just spiked crazy, which is something that we anticipated at BNFX for a few days here. And I wanted to show you guys something here, and this kind of speaks to our dynamic stop and why we do it. So I want to show you the UK oil trade here that hit profit this morning. I think it was 222 pips we gained. So what was interesting is we got in right here. So this spike was the news of the first kind of go around for this development with Russia and Ukraine. So we got in here on a retracement, institutional retracement trade. And what the institutions will do sometimes is they will liquidity hunt. So some call it stop hunt, but they're looking for liquidity, and they're looking to take out all the weak positions before they make that move. So you can see the move down here, took out all this liquidity of all the people that started right here. And then they even took down people that maybe got in here and had a stop right down in here, right? So you can see how they work here. So you have to give yourself a wide berth if you really have that investment mindset. And that's kind of what we did here is we knew that oil was going to go up with this event because the fundamentals did not change. And lo and behold, here you had this huge gap up the next day. And then, today it's been nothing but up here. So we were actually able to hit our target overnight here in Hawaii today. So that's a little bit of why we want to give it that wide berth sometimes, especially if it's strong fundamental play. Yeah, and that's how we trade. Technicals. This strategy really relies on fundamentals. The technicals we use just to get a good position, but that stop loss is dynamic, and that's how we manage our trades. So if we got in here and Russia and Ukraine had made a deal and this started spiking down, I would have just clicked out of it, and that's how the stop would go there. So hopefully that helps you guys. And like I said, it was a big day for the fund today on UK oil and US oil. So I will be taking a look at euro shorts again today. So here's my sentiment. It's still euro, pound, Swiss franc are the negatives. I think US dollar and to maybe a little bit of a lesser extent the Canadian dollar, although it's getting propped up by oil right now, is strong. The Australian dollar, interesting, has been resilient. I think iron ore prices are definitely propping them up. They had a real dovish statement yesterday for the RBA and did not mess with their interest rates. So the consensus on rate hikes is going to get muddied with this situation. The euro, I think there was 30 basis points priced in for 2022 in rate hikes, and overnight it became 0.25% in rate hikes. So there's already a downturn on what the market's going to start pricing in. So just keep in mind. All right, but beginning of the month, so let's see if we can make some good trades. All right, have a great rest of your day, and good luck out there.